So let's say we have this type of image and you want to change the background. Like I said, first of all, you need to separate the subject from the background, and then let me drag in the background now. So let's look for the background. Quickly drag the background to it, make it bigger, holding down Alt, and it's going to just size the canvas. And now we need to get this line, this straight line, to match with the other straight line. So in this image, the other straight line is located somewhere here. And now we can now hold down Alt. Please drag it below the image you selected, this one. So we can now hold down Shift and drag this downwards till you have it real. Now it's not looking real though. So once you do that, if you want to change the background and you want to apply this lady to this background, there's a lot of color grading, color corrections and lightning correction. So but for that, let me show you the first way to quickly blend it so that it have the same color with the background. So just change the blend mode to soft light and you have it like this. Now if you check closely, you're going to see that the shadows are having color black. So for you to fix that, you just grab the hue and saturation adjustment and probably the master channel, clip it to the layer, the background layer, and change this. Just move it till you have everything the same. So that's just easy as that. And probably you can resize your image and leave it like that. And that's for the first one. And the second one I wanted to talk about, so which is let's make this normal. Now let's say we want to blend this image and this image. So you create a layer. Let's create a layer on top. This is going to be a black and white adjustment layer. Sorry, let's just choose here, just type 8080 to choose 100% gray. 8080 80 80 80. It's okay. Change the blend mode to color. It's going to give you the color. So I guess the colors are the same, the brightness of the color are the same. Let's check. Are the same except for the background. So select the background, add the curve layer to it. Let's try and balance the curve, the white of the background to the white of the shoe. So I'm just going to increase. So I guess let's leave it somewhere here, and probably let's take it backwards and just take it from the midtones. Yep, so I think this should be fine a little. So turn it on and you can see that it's matching already. So let's turn it back on and let's exaggerate, take it up. Okay, let's say this is what we have, the white and the white of the shoe, and I'm gonna turn it off, and there we go, we have it. So if we don't do it like that, it's not actually going to match. And we can desaturate the blues in the shoe. So select this one, clip a hue and saturation adjustment layer to it, and we can select that region. It's going to give you the blues. We can desaturate the blues, make sure it's clipped to it, the layer. So now we can create our artificial shadow, and you know how to do all of that. Just grab your brush tool on this layer, create a new layer, and grab your brush, normal brush, make sure foreground color is black, shift inside, and paint, Ctrl Z. Yeah, just paint on it a little like this, even if on the shoe. Yeah, so something like this, and you can drag it below the lady, but it's still showing. Bring down the opacity. You just need it a little bit sorry. All right, so I'll send a video on how to go about all of that.